it out. Look.
What is that?
Next to me.
That's hot. Oh, sweet.
Is that a girl?
What are they waiting for? The light's green.
It's girls. It was 2 girls.
That's all right. Well, hello. Can I have your tail lights?
Yeah.
That 2-step, son. Need that KPro.
Definitely. This is what the car needs the most, is KPro. I saw that.
That's 110.
Yeah.
That was kind of a cool clip. It was like a slingshot on Tony's car.
Yep.
Drag radios too, man.
Yeah. This is ridiculous fast.
Yeah, it's fun. It's way better than the supercharger was.
Way better with the clutch, I bet.
Yeah, it actually grabs. You should see the old one. Flywheel had fucking hot spots in it.
So let's see how you do from 0.
Oh, come on, dude. The precinct's right there. Shit. You horrible at 0.
I didn't even notice it. I was filming back there, and when I turned around,
slow down, dude. You need rotors, brakes.
Yeah.
Torque in this car is
That's 5th gear, right?
Yeah, that was 5th gear.
Wow.
I just stopped.
When you feel your wheel spinning and the wheel's not on the ground,
I just kept going. I just lay into it. I mean, there's no point of shifting because you're gonna fog out if you shift when it does that. You basically just lay in and you lever it. Just like kind of like how you launch.
Yeah.
You gotta use leverage. So if your wheels are spinning like that, you ride it out.
Yep.
You painted that yourself?
I can smell it.
I waited till this got to like, you know, like the paint where it dries up and gets that like pasty state.
Yeah.
I waited till it got to there and I just peeled the letters right off. It worked perfect. I don't know how I did it. I was like, man, I'm gonna have to paint this black. There's no way I could tape that off perfect. And I was just like blowing on it. I was like, well, paint looks kind of sticky. So I picked that with my fingernail and I literally peeled an H off, peeled an O off, and so forth. I don't know how it worked out, man, but I'm stoked it turned out that good.
Because it looks factory, you know what I'm saying? It's like, yeah.
I like it a lot.
What the covers were meant to look like.
That's nuts. That is insane. That's
pretty
what
color.
that cover's meant to look like.
Yeah, this is off that other motor I bought. Put it on there.
Oh, that feels so good.
A couple gnats landed in it, like right here, like a gnat landed in it. A couple insects, but that's the only rough part.
Touch it off. That's nothing.
Yeah.
That's nothing. That's an awesome fucking
Take that thing, man.
Yeah, that's the hot part of the motor. Why is that one bolt
Actually, this might be
dude, why is that bolt loose?
It's actually a defect they have on this turbo. A lot of people I saw on EP hatch have the same bolt.
Yeah.
And it's nothing serious. It doesn't cause any leaks or anything. It's on the exhaust side, so I'm not losing power or anything. I'm actually okay.
That's weird.
Sometimes it spits a little smoke out. Hey, let me see that flashlight. Let's see if this is glowing.
No, it's not that hot yet, is it?
I've been driving for a while. I'm surprised it isn't glowing. Sometimes it does that.
Well, it's cast iron, right? That part?
Yeah, it's cast.
Made out of the same shit as this, right? No, I mean the exhaust is usually cast iron.
Yeah, the turbo manifold's cast. Ball manifold.
Wow. Dude, it looks so good. It looks so good. Very nice, man. That was probably the coolest, like, little thing that you've done to it, you know?
It had to be something. It's cool because you can see it through here now. You can actually see the.
Oh, yeah.
In the daylight, it just stands out so much.
Yeah, like the Ferrari stuff.
Yeah.
I like it.
You know, this is very typical.
I keep it minimal to the exterior features, but since I got this hood, I was like, I could do something to the inside and have a show on the outside.
Yeah, and that's the best thing you could have done, probably.
It doesn't take long, man. If you want to set a day aside, I'll help you paint yours if you want to. It's not hard.
What, take it off?
Yeah, dude, it's not hard at all. You just take the cool packs off, and then you take the 6 bolts off, your valve cover will come off easily. It took 10 minutes to take off, it takes 10 minutes to put on, and only paint takes a long time. It's just painting it. I mean, you could drive your car in the meantime. I could let you use the other valve cover until the thing dries. If you wanted to. I'm not doing anything with the motor yet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is off the motor I bought.
Oh, okay.
I painted this so I could still drive the other car.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I could still drive this car, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then once it dried, I just took the valve cover I had off and put it on.
Yeah, that's the best.
So, I don't know, it's up to you, man. It's not hard.
That sounds really good to me, man.
Let me know.
Yeah, of course. Alright.
Paint yours white. Huh? Actually, it might get dirty.
Yeah, it's ready.
Yeah, that's good.
Door handles where it's silver.